Good morning everyone and welcome back once again to weekly market analysis of raw price action reading. Understanding raw price action delivery is one of the things you have to understand as a trader, because everything you need to know about price is in the chart. If you can understand the raw price action reading, you can figure out what market is doing before price delivery, because what you are doing as a trader is to anticipate what market will do, what the big investors will do. And without further ado, let's go straight into today's analysis. If you have not subscribed, please click the like button, share, drop your comments below after the end of today's market analysis. This morning I'll be quickly doing a market recap on simple market structure of what has happened last week and how market has been able to load the previous price action price delivery. And right now this is full analysis on DXY and gold. This is the basic market structure. If you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch the previous video in order to have full market recap of what market is doing. And this is weekly analysis on DXY, and we can easily see that the market has been consolidating. DXY has been consolidating since February 2023. That is, DXY has been in the weekly time frame. This is basic, equal high and equal low. And we can easily see that this week market complete the equilibrium price. These are the buyers when they left the support level, and here they are again in 2024 August 19 analysis. This is monthly time frame analysis, and you can easily see what market is doing in DXY. Our market has been consolidating of equal high and equal low, equal high and equal low. And like I told you in my previous market structure delivery, that gold and DXY are almost 100% correlated. And what does it mean? If you're a gold trader like me, one of your things you need to understand is you have to figure out what is happening in DXY, because when DXY is selling, gold is buying. When gold is buying, DXY is selling, because they are negatively correlated. Now there's something amazing I want you to understand here. When DXY reached this key level, there was a double top formation, which is M pattern. And what happened? Market dropped sporadically. There was a M pattern here. M pattern as a sign of under chart pattern structure. M pattern is when market is about to reverse, and this is exactly what happened. Now market is at 100.677 right now on DXY. And why am I starting with DXY? I want you to understand, if you can understand, there are three things you need to understand about raw price action reading. Understand the basic structure, if you understand the psychology of candlestick, and understand the demand and supply. There are three things, because your profit, your duty as a trader is to co-integrate of different market structure, co-integrations of different analysis together in order to make a reasonable decision. A single strategy as a market structure, as a price action trader, will not make you successful. But if you can understand different dimensions of market movement, like price action reading, psychology of candlestick, support and resistance, and combine with different other strategies I'm going to be sharing with you later on. If you have not watched my previous video, I have mentioned some of them or show you some of them in the previous video. Click somewhere around here, you will see those videos. Go and watch it and you will understand. So you can see that this is right now what DXY is doing. This is market has closed already, and new market is about to open in the next 12 to 24 hours, depending on which side of the world you are watching from. And this is exactly what is happening now. Now this basic structure where market left here, this 100 0.173. Market has came back to the same structure right now, and that is why they used to say in raw price action reading, market has a memory. Market is like a human being, though it's an AI, but it's a memory too that understand, that can remember what has happened in the past. And this is weekly time frame. Double top, market dropped, and let's see what is happening in our daily time frame. This is our daily time frame right now, and market was able to reach the key levels and stopped. Market closed at the major key levels of the previous price action in DXY. So you can see the nature of chart patterns that is happening here. So also in 4-hour time frame, if you can see what is happening in 4-hour time frame, is the same thing too. What is happening in 4 hours time frame, the market is the same. Now you can see, so in 4-hour time frame, this is what happened. Market came, touched the key levels and rejected it back. Then another one came out in 4-hour time frame too, and there was a little bit of rejection here right now. Your duty as a trader is to understand the structure of what market we do here, because you don't just press buy and sell button. No. You have to understand, because once you press the buy and sell button, you are not in control of what market we do anymore. You are not in control. And if you are not in control, then your duty as a trader is to be patient enough. Your patience is extremely needed if you really want to become a profitable trader in long-term analysis, in long term, because the success in the trading lies not in making profit in 1 week. It's making profit consistently over a long period of time. Making profit consistently over a long period of time is where the real success is. Like every other thing in life, even if you are in school, if you are a doctor, no matter your professions, you can't be a neurosurgeon and practice an operation once and it becomes successful and that is all. You have to do it repeatedly over and over and over and over again. And we can see what is happening in DXY now. Why am I breaking down this DXY? So that you understand, by the time you go to good, you understand what is happening. So which means that in our 4-hour time frame, DXY has been selling sporadically. There has been a massive drop of DXY. So you can easily see what is happening right now. Exactly now. This is our pure price action reading. No indicator, nothing. Just understand the psychology of candlestick. So which means that from this DXY, if market can just reject this key level, do something like this to test this key level and come to this resistance level, text this structure back and move, that is our eureka. So understanding what market we do around here is extremely important. It's extremely important. Our market can decide to break this structure and stay here for a while before it moves. And you can see that is what you need as a trader. If you understand the movement of the market, you can actually see what is happening. And this is DXY in 4-hour time frame. Now let us now go back to good and see what is actually happening. Let's see what is happening in good right now, in order for us to understand that as long as market rejects this key level, then now always, and remember, this is DXY. So if market is falling in DXY, it means that gold is buying. And if DXY is about to start buying next week, that is gaining more momentum, gaining more strength, what do you think is going to happen? There will be massive fall on gold. Massive fall on gold. So let's see what is happening in gold analysis. This is gold monthly time frame right now, and you can easily see from our previous price action on DXY, it simply means that they are inverse of each other. The inverse of DXY is the gold. Why it's like euro dollar, because the inverse of euro dollar is DXY. So also gold, though they might not be 100% correlated, but they are 90% correlate. There was a 90% correlation between gold and DXY. Now, this is simple market structure. We can easily see now that you can see there was a massive loss of momentum. There was a level of rejection here. Market bring out indecision, which nobody knows what will happen. The next thing, what happened? Market push up. There was a massive surge of buy, but be patient before you can understand what is happening. This is all-time high, and when market is at all-time high, you need to be extremely careful, because you have no idea what market is going to do next. You can be buying in 1 second, and the next second's market is dropping like wildfire. And like I said earlier, your duty as a trader is to understand the nature of the market. If you understand the basic market structure, if you understand support and resistance of each key time frame you are trading from, either 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours, then that one will give you a clue of what market is doing. And you can easily see this key level now, that there was a massive levels of rejection on this key level. Massive. So massive. So massive rejection on this key level. You can see now that this is a massive rejection of key. This is our major structure of key level. But in order to make it easier, let me plot the major key level for you guys. Now this is good, and we can see that from the candlestick psychology, market is moving all right in monthly time frame. Let us now check what is happening. And apart from that, these are basic structures. So let me quickly plot the structure for you to understand the basic structure in monthly time frame. So you can see now, this is how to plot your basic structure in order to understand the movement of the market. So right now, this is good, and this is all-time high. Now, yes, you can see this basic market structure. Now, this is massive all-time high. These key levels are very crucial. Now, you can see that from here, market was consolidating, forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then equal high, and not equal low this time around. 50% Fibonacci retracement and massive higher high. So market shoot up sporadically from this key level, and it has been buying since then until now. Now that is monthly time frame. Let us now see what is happening in weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame, and something amazing is happening here. Now see the psychology of candlestick in weekly time frame. This is indecision. This is indecision candlestick. And what does that one tell us? Now, I want to call your attention to something. There was another indecision candlestick somewhere around here, in which now at this key level there was, now you can see this is indecision candlestick here. But what happened? Why was it that this indecision here was invalid? This is what happened. This is market. This is basic market structure. Now, this is basic market movement. Now, you can see what happened here. This is the previous all-time high. Now, this is this major support level. But you can see that the reason why this key level do not hold the simple. If you go to daily time frame to go and check the movement of what market was doing, you can see that there was a chart pattern structure on this key level. There was a chart pattern structure. So market was consolidating, but with counter trend line breakout and retest, it nullifies this key level. So you can see a little bit of chart patterns. Market was almost forming imperfect head and shoulder here. Yes, you might say the shoulder is not perfect, but this is imperfect head and shoulder, because most of the time market is not 100% loyal. Market is not 100% loyal. The textbook inverse head and shoulder is different from real life head and shoulder. And you can see that this is inverse head and shoulder around here. You can see something. So markets come here, pull up, reach here and pull back. And let's check what is happening in the 4-hour time frame. Now you see that imperfect head and shoulder in daily time frame now show up massively in 4-hour time frame. So you can see that there was a basic simple market structure of each one of them, from higher high to higher low. And that is why the purpose of being a price action trader is to go to monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, to understand the market structure. Because when you can understand the market structure, you can now go down to 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hours for your entry. But you don't just press that buy or sell button yet until you understand the raw price action in weekly and monthly and daily time frame, so that you can know what is happening in the market and see exactly what you need to do. Because one of the skill of a profitable trader is to be extremely patient. You have to be patient. You have to take your time. You don't just enter market anyhow. You don't enter market because of your emotions. Now you can see this level. When we were in daily time frame, it seems like that head and shoulder is not real. But if we go to 4 hours right now, you can see the head and shoulder form extremely well. You can see what actually happening here. You can see you can see that this is massive head and shoulder chart patterns, and it's not perfect enough, but it's not also bad. So understand this basic structure, and you can see something amazing, that head and shoulder, every chart patterns, not all chart patterns hold. If I see these chart patterns in 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute, I might not respect it. Even in 15 minutes, I might not respect it. But any chart patterns that form in 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame is something that is reckoned with, is valid. You have to pay attention to it. So you can see now, you can see how I am moving from one structure of market to another, from market structure to psychology of candlestick to chart patterns to support and resistance, in order to make decisions. Because your duty as a trader is called co-integration. What does it mean? The ability to combine different strategies together in order to form a decision. Because if you can understand the nature of market, you can see that raw price action reading is all about combining different strategies together in order to make right decisions. And you can see now that this is market structure in 4 hour time frame of inverse head and shoulder chart patterns. These inverse head and shoulder chart patterns give us a clue, but you cannot see this if you are in 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame, because there will be a lot of messed up in those hours. So let's go back to our daily time frame and to see what is actually happening. This is our daily time frame right now. This is daily time frame. So you can now say, now come back to daily time frame. Now you can see what is happening. So let's go back to our weekly time frame to quickly see what is happening. Now in our weekly time frame, this is massive indecision candlestick at the end of this week. So what is market telling us is this: we need to be patient. We need to understand market reaction in this weekly time frame, because our duty as a trader is to understand price delivery. We don't just press buy and sell button because we want to trade. No. Because as a swing trader, as a price action reading, as I am, for example, as a swing trader, I don't just click. I am a kind of trader that wants to do market raw price action reading in monthly time frame, in weekly time frame, in daily time frame. Now find my entry in between 4 hours and daily time frame, because I loved enter the market in a single day and spend 5 days, 4 days, 3 days to make massive profit from the market. Because the trader that make more money are not the one that are clicking buy and sell button every time. No. The traders that make the money are the ones that are patient. They are like a sniper. When you see a sniper, if you have watched most of American movies before, you will see a sniper. A sniper can spend 3 days in a single spot looking for its target, waiting for its target to show up. And a sniper do not have time to shoot his target twice. No. Only one bullet is enough to kill its target. What does it mean? You as a trader, if you want to be a swing trader, if you want to be a pro price action trader, if you want to be a swing trader, it is your duty as a trader to wait, to be patient, to understand the nature of the market, so that when you understand what market is doing, you are not just clicking buy and sell button because of emotions or because one group says you should buy or sell. You study the market, you understand what market is doing, and you find out how market movement is about. Now you can see in our daily time, in our weekly time frame, that this is massive indecisions. And if there is massive indecisions in weekly time frame, then that is something we have to reckon with. And another thing that will make us to pay attention to this level of indecision in weekly time frame is this indecision is forming at massive higher time frame. What does that mean? That is, this 2,500 pounds is a level market has never reached before. That's number one. Number two, market closing that key levels as indecision. So which means that for two reasons, there is a level of invincible resistance in that key level. And if you can remember to our price action reading on DXY, you will understand that DXY2 is also at the major key levels of rejection, which is support level, which has happened since 2023. Now, so you can see what we are saying now. This is our DXY. Now, in our DXY right now, this is our weekly analysis, and you can see that market has reached the major resistance level, and not just major resistance level. Now, this is on inside channel trading too. This is, you can see that there was a level of rejection here, and now market react to this place here. So the rejection that is here is exactly what is happening in our gold analysis, because like I said earlier, there was when it comes to correlation between markets, DXY and gold have probability, they correlate 80 to 90% of the time, most of the time. And that is one of the things that we understand in the market structure. So understand this thing will gives you the ability to know what market is doing. So let's go back to gold and see what market is doing now. This is our weekly time frame. So let's see what is happening in daily time frame. Now this is our daily time frame. So you can see now that the reaction of the now market reaches key level on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you can see massive consolidation of market structure in this place. So which means that market is reacting massively to 2,500 pounds key level, and that is exactly where market close off on this week Friday. So you can see these key levels. Now there's a level of key levels in this structure, and you can see that markets respond to this key level right now, right here. So these key levels actually shows us that markets is rejecting this key level. But we don't just click press and buy button. This is daily time frame on gold. Then what are we now do? What should we do in order to find our entry and exit for gold by next week when market opens? It's simple. Let me quickly clear the chart a little in order for us to do a little bit of market structure. Now, So let me quickly clear this chart to a hair. Now you see now this is our daily time frame, and this is just basic chart patterns. Now here we are. So you can see now that now this is simple raw price action market delivery, and you can see now that now something amazing is happening here. This is higher high, higher low, equal high, equal low, then higher high. Market right now is at higher high. So for us to understand, market right now is at higher high and it's at this key level. Now, not just key level, you can understand that first of all there is a massive resistance here, number one. Secondly, there is a candlestick, psychology of candlestick. There is a market, there is a consolidation of candlestick chart patterns. So market is forming equal high. You can see that each of these candle, they do not pass each other. This candlestick now, so which means that in daily time frame, market is already consolidating. Yes, because market entered this key level on last week Friday, and for 1 week market do not leave that key level. So let's see what is happening in 4-hour time frame in order to see the level of market. Now you can see now that in 4-hour time frame, that is exactly what is happening right now. Market was just consolidating. So market came here last week Friday, which is August 16, 2024, around 1400, and as since then market has been consolidating in this key level, throughout last week. So we can easily see now what market is doing. But there is something I want to call your attention to, and this 4-hour time frame, that another chart pattern is forming, but it's not visible to the high yet. Since this is all-time high frame, now let me quickly draw simple market analysis for you to understand what market is doing. Now let me bring out a single trend line. Now if you understand, learning how to plot your trend line is extremely important. Understand how to plot your trend line is one of the skills you will need as a trader. Now, good. Now, why do I plot this key level? You can see that when market reached this key level, there was a massive level of consolidation. A market has been forming different chart patterns in this key zone. This one is market manipulation. Market was not supposed to break it, but in order to trick us that is about to drop, market broke it on Thursday, in which one of my previous analysis you will see it there. Then enter the key zone back, and right now is at previous sub resistance level. And what does that have to tell us? It tells us that when markets reach a basic major structure, there will be a form of manipulation. Markets do not just reach all-time high and be selling immediately. No. Market has to consolidate, form a level of chart patterns before another movement will begin. And what chart patterns are we seeing here? Let's quickly see what is happening here. Now, market reached this level and it has been forming higher high, equal high, and equal low. Equal high and equal low. So we don't know what market is doing. But as long as market breaks this structure and retest, then there will be a massive drop on gold. And what does that mean? Now, let me delete this one so you can see clearly. This is almost double top chart patterns. Now, this double top chart pattern is what market is doing right now. So let's say this is our first key level. Now, if market reach this level and there is a form of rejection to this key level again and turn this support level to resistance, then market will drop massively. And you can easily see, as long as once market breaks this neckline, once this neckline is broken and retest, then it means that market is now about to enter the sell side liquidity. And you can easily see that that is what price action is all about. If you can understanding what market is doing before it moves, those are the things. But it takes patience. It takes hundreds and thousands of hours in order to understand the movement of the market, what market is doing before it becomes obvious. That is why as a trader, our duty is not just to click buy and sell button. Our duty is to watch the movement of the market, to listen to what market is doing, to allow market to tell us what it's doing. And you can see how I broke down the structure from monthly time frame, from psychology of candlestick to weekly time frame to chart patterns, combination of chart patterns, candlestick. Now let me quickly put it here. Now you can see, so combination of candlestick, psychology of candlestick movement, chart patterns, support and resistance, and market structure. Co-integration of all of them is what we use to make decision in the market. So I don't just feel like a market is reaching this key level, let me click sell. No. You don't click sell, you wait. You have to study market movement. You have to study what market is doing, how market will react to this key level. Understanding the reaction of the market to this key level is one of the experience you must have, and that is why you must stay with raw price action. You have to stay, you have to study, you have to burn midnight candles to understand raw, because if you want to have chance of success in this industry, you have to pay the price. Everything that leads to massive success takes time. So understanding this basic market structure is one of the things that will give you more head in the market. And always remember, like I used to say, risk management. Even when price break this structure and come to this key level and retest, don't be reckless. Don't spend all your money. Don't have $1,000 in your account and you are risking $300 per once. No. You have to put in risk management. You understand risk, because we are working anything that is happening. Once you click that buy or sell button, you are not in charge of what market is doing anymore. Once you can understand the level, price action reading, raw price action reading, psychology of candlestick, support and resistance, and combine those skills together to form right decision, those are the skills that will make you profitable in this industry. I want you to go back to your chart. Go and study the chart again. Open your chart. See what market is doing. See the correlation between good. And mind, another thing, you can use this analysis, this strategy in every market. Either you are trading euro dollar, euro CAD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, any market structure, you can. Price action is the king. If anybody tell you that they have one holy grail somewhere excluding price action, then know that it's a bullshit. They are lying to you. So till I come your way, be safe. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.